Good evening from the adventure spot.
Greetings and salutations!
We are at Kings Island. It's Sunday evening.
Yep. Labor Day weekend.
Yeah, Labor Day weekend. We just came here to have dinner and maybe we'll ride a few rides, hopefully. It was pretty packed when we got here, but we're seeing people trickling out.
More people are leaving than coming in, so I think it'll thin out, but as it gets closer to 10, it's going to be packed.
Thanks for the night fireworks.
So that's okay.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to ride a few rides. So Diamondback, Mystic Timbers, and the Beast, we're looking to ride.
Yeah, that's our goal for the day.
Yeah, so.
A night ride on the Beast would be super.
Thanks for joining us.
We were gonna head to Diamondback, but it looks like there's a 75-minute wait, so we're probably gonna grab dinner first and then check the times.
Which might also be a 75-minute wait.
Oh, I hope not. We're gonna have dinner at the Miami River Brewhouse.
All right, so we're at dinner at the Miami River Brewhouse. We got the 3 pig sliders. Comes with barbecue pork and pickle on it, I believe. Try these first.
Yeah, I do the vegetables. None of them eat the vegetables. Some of them just order the vegetables. Meal
It's all right, your standard
vegetables are all there.
potato barrel, potato roll.
The fried dumplings, they got awesome fried dumplings. Braylon and like this new ones. I like the fried ones because they're crispy. But, yeah.
It's all right for fair food. I get park food. We have a part of the meal plan, so it's a good able to split. This is nice.
Our first ride of the evening is gonna be on Diamondback. They're saying it's a 75-minute wait on the app, but I don't know if it's gonna be that long. We'll see.
We just got off a Diamondback. Always a fun coaster.
No,
What?
the rattle.
Well,
that gave me a little bit of a headache.
oh, did it?
Yeah, there was a rattle. It's showing its age, y'all. I mean, to be fair, so am I, but, you know,
I do.
25 is tough.
I do enjoy the. Had to do my eye roll there. I do enjoy. It is neat riding in the dark, or as it.
It was
dusk,
almost dark,
almost
yeah.
dark. As you go out into like
The
the
wilderness.
back of part of the ride, it's really dark because they don't have any lighting back there.
Yeah, there's
So-
once you get past the first hill, there's like no lighting for that ride.
I do love the floater airtime. It's got a lot of. It's known for its floater airtime.
I am actually falling in love with that
Yeah.
airtime on that ride.
But I did notice a rattle. I guess it wasn't. Maybe not. I didn't notice it as much as Becca did. But
I was. I mean, I still love that ride. I will always love that ride, but they got to fix that. It's time. It's been here a while. It's time for a little TLC, I think. Maybe this winter.
maybe. We'll see. I did want to mention on Diamondback, the app said it was a 75-minute wait. We waited maybe 50 minutes. It wasn't bad.
The app is never right, but you never know if it's going to be longer or shorter.
And Ride Ops was great. They had
three train.
Yeah, 3-chain operation. They were pushing those trains out. So props to the.
Yeah, they
Ride
were
Ops.
doing a good job.
Yeah.
I mean, they were not wasting time. Get you in, get you buckled, get you stapled or not. And I wasn't stapled this time.
I wasn't either. So.
You never are, except when they accidentally do it to you. I always try and get one more click, but I did not.
But
Maybe that's why I liked the airtime better.
We're gonna head to the Beast. It's my favorite nighttime ride.
Our next ride and possibly last ride of the night is gonna be on the awesome Beast, one of my favorite wooden roller coasters and one of the best night rides as well. We've been waiting about 40 minutes and we got notified when going into the line that they're going to be closing at 9:35 for the fireworks and then reopen after the fireworks are done. So we probably won't make it on the ride before the fireworks start, but we'll definitely get a nice dark night ride on the Beast. So I'm excited about that. So it's about 9:40. The Beast just ran its last train until the fireworks end. So we got about 20 minutes before the fireworks start, and here's the everyone's just seated waiting, including Becca. Looks like we have a good view provided. I'm not sure where exactly the fireworks are going to be launched from, but if we can see them from here, it's a really good view. So. All right, I was wrong. They just now released the last train, so we have about 15 minutes till the fireworks start. All right, the fireworks are about to begin. Not sure how.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the. Not sure the as far as the drone. Those are the drones that we saw.
Kings Island. Oh, it rotates. Can you get between the building and the view of the building? Oh, the Eiffel Tower.
Huh.
Blue ice cream. Oh, it's the Snoopy. It's the vlog flare. Diamondback.
All right, we just rode the Beast. Great night ride, one of my favorite night rides of all time.
Yes.
We sat in row 17 next to the
Magic
last row.
row.
Yeah. No wheels. We like that.
And it's whippy.
Yeah. We actually waited a while. We got in line at 8:45. Then they stopped it for the fireworks, and we had to wait maybe 30 minutes after that, something like that. But anyway, highly recommend. This is the best night ride
Sorry, something in my eye. Keep going.
at Kings Island. So if you're here at night, definitely get on this.
Oh, it's worth the wait.
Yes,
if
definitely.
you love the Beast, you have to ride it at night.
And we
It's a
recommend,
night ride.
yeah, we recommend row 17.
Absolutely. Magic row. My voice is hoarse from screaming.
All right, that'll do it for evening at Kings Island. We had a good time. We got to ride 2 rides. The waits were pretty long. We did have dinner, and it wasn't too bad.
But we used our time wisely. We picked 2 that we haven't ridden in a while. And we got a twilight ride on Diamondback and a night ride on Beast.
Plus, we got to see
And we got to see the fireworks.
kind of fireworks. They
It
were blocked.
wasn't, we weren't in the best position, but we still got to see
and
them.
we did
So-
see the laser show or drone show.
drone show. Yeah.
But
So I'd call that a good night.
so
I'm
anyway,
gonna go home and go to bed.
thanks so much for watching, and we will
We'll see you on our next adventure.